हेलो दोस्तों, मैं पूनम शाह उम्मीद सीबीएसई क्लासेस के यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सभी का दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। जल्दी जल्दी सभी लोग लाइव जुड़ जाइए और साथ ही साथ में सेशन को लाइक नहीं किया है तो सेशन को आप लाइक कर दीजिए ताकि आपके कॉन्सेप्ट और भी अच्छे से क्लियर हो सके। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन पर आप क्लिक करें ताकि लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आप लोगों को मिलते रहें। तो दोस्तों, जो भी 9 to 12 में है, इंग्लिश कर रही है परेशान, तो बिल्कुल भी ना हो निराश, क्योंकि उम्मीद सीबीएसई क्लासेस आप लोगों के साथ में ही है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, टेंस हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो इन प्रीवियस क्लास वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल रूल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। सो नाउ we learn uses of past continuous tense. We are going to use past continuous tense in next slide. तो past continuous tense के रूल्स हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो सभी लोगों को अगर आपको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूजेस समझ में आ गए, बिकॉज देयर आर 4 रूल्स फॉर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। First one is at the time of speaking, second one is near future, third one है आपका temporary actions, and fourth one is keywords are given in the sentence, then what will be used? Present continuous tense will be used. अगर आपको वो समझ में आ गया, प्रेजेंट सिंपल जो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस जो मैंने आपको बताया रूल्स, वो समझ में आ गया, तो पास्ट तो चुटकियों का खेल है। इट इज ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स। सो shall we start? Okay, first of all, these are the structure of past continuous tense. In present continuous, which is the helping verb of present continuous? Is MR. And in this tense, what is the helping verb? Was verb. If ing form is used with is MR, then this tense is present continuous tense. And was verb is used with ing form, then it becomes past continuous tense. In negative sentence, not is used in third place, WH word after helping verb formula, WH word. Next one is first rule is an ongoing action in the past. An ongoing action in the past, कोई एक्शन है वो आपका पास्ट में है और बात आप अभी कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर आपका क्या हो जाएगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यस्टरडे एट दिस टाइम, तो यस्टरडे एट दिस टाइम आई डैश एन आर्टिकल, तो राइट वर्ब इज यूज इन दिस सेंटेंस। तो यस्टरडे इज द इंडिकेशन ऑफ पास्ट, देन विच टेंस इज यूज्ड? विच टेंस इज यूज्ड? पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड। तो यस्टरडे एट दिस टाइम आई was writing an article. Next one is when Meera entered home. So second form is used in first clause, then what will be used in next? Past continuous tense. So his mother was cooking food. Next one is Shiksha dash then, or then is used for past time, then is used for past time, then what will be used? Past continuous tense will be used. So Shiksha was negative, in negative sense, then not will be used at the third place, was not resting. Shiksha was not resting then. Next one is dash you at my home yesterday morning. So yesterday morning, this is also past time. This is also past time, then what will be used? Past continuous tense will be used. Or with you, which helping verb is used? Are is used. Sorry, were is used in the past continuous tense. Were you coming? Were you coming at my home yesterday morning? Okay, so these are the examples of ongoing action in the past. Next one is express the definite future plan of past. In present continuous there is near future, or in the past continuous there is a definite future plan of past. For example, they dash last night. Arrive verb is used in this sentence. So what will be used? They were arriving last night. Next one is Ram dash that night. That night is also indication of past. So Ram was living that night. Your father dash tomorrow. So your father was coming tomorrow. Okay. So future plan of past is there, then past continuous tense will be used in these sentences. Third one is very, very important, because two actions are happening at the same time. Two actions are happening at the same time, then what will be used? Past continuous tense will be used in these sentences. Okay. First example, while. After while, you always use continuous tense. If sentence indicate past time, then past continuous is used. If indicates present time, then present continuous will be used. After while, very, very important. So while I dash study, she was playing. So two actions are happening at the same time. One is studying and second is playing. So while I was playing, she was. While I was studying, she was playing. Next one is, when the king was fighting, his soldiers dash him. So two actions are happening at the same time. So when the king was fighting, his soldiers were protecting him. There is also past time, there is also past. So what will be used? Past continuous tense will be used. When mother came to me, second form of the verb is the indication of past tense. Okay. So what will be used? Past continuous tense will be used in this sentence. When mother came to me, I was solving questions. Okay. Next one is, when I returned home. Second form of the verb in this sentence used, then past continuous tense will be used. So my sister was calling my mother. So these are the examples of past continuous tense. In these sentences, two actions are happening at the same time. Then which tense is used? Past continuous tense will be used. Next one is, so these are the basic examples of basic rules of past continuous tense. इससे बाहर आपका कुछ भी नहीं आने वाला है. ये एग्जाम्पल्स आपको देखने हैं, साथ ही साथ में रूल्स आपको बहुत ही डिटेल में पढ़ने हैं. और ये नंबर आपने सेव नहीं किए तो सेव कर लें. साथ ही साथ में उम्मीद सीबीएसई क्लासेस का जो चैनल है, उसका टेलीग्राम चैनल है, उसको आप ज्वाइन कर लें ताकि लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहें. सेशन को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद में बेल आइकन पर आप क्लिक करें ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स मिलते रहें. थैंक यू सो मच.